نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Juzz 1 Surah Al-Baqarah, Rokoo Number 3, verse number 21. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan, the rejected one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Ya ayyuhan nasu, O mankind, su'budu, worship, Rabbakum, your Lord, alladhi, who, the one who, khalaqakum, created you, وَالَّذِينَ, and those who, مِن قَبْلِكُمْ, before you, لَعَلَّكُمْ, so that you may, تَتَّقُونَ, become righteous. O mankind, worship your Lord, the one who created you and those before you, so that you may become righteous. الذي, the one who, جعل, made, lakum, for you, al-arda, the earth, firashan, a resting place, was-samaa, and the sky, binaa, a canopy, wa-anzala, and sent down, min, from, as-samaa'i, the sky, ma'an, water, فَأَخْرَجَ, then brought forth, bihi, therewith, min الثَّمَرَاتِ, the fruits, rizqan, provision, lakum, for you, فَلَا, so, don't, تَجْعَلُوا, set up, lillahi, for Allah, andadan, rivals, wa antum, and while you, ta'lamoon, know. He who has made the earth a resting place for you, and the sky a canopy, and sent down rain from the sky, and brought forth therewith fruits as provision for you. So don't set up rivals to Allah while you know the truth. Wa in, and if, kuntum, you are, fi raybin, in doubt, mimma, about what, nazzalna, we have revealed, ala abdina, to our slave, fa'tu, then produce, bisuratin, a chapter, mim mithlihi, like it, wad'u, and call, shuhada'akum, your witnesses, min dunillahi, other than Allah, in kuntum, if you are, sadiqeen, truthful. And if you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our slave Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then produce a chapter like it, and call your witnesses other than Allah if you are truthful. فَإِلَّمْ, but if not, lam is not. تَفْعَلُوا, you do. وَلَن, and never. تَفْعَلُوا, will you do. فَاتَّقُوا, then fear. النَّارَ, the fire. الَّتِي, whose. وَقُودُهَا, fuel. النَّاسُ, men. وَالْحِجَارَةُ, and stones. أُعِدَّتْ, prepared. لِلْكَافِرِينَ, for disbelievers. But if you don't do, and you will never be able to do it, then fear the fire whose fuel is men and stones, prepared for the disbelievers. وَبَشِّرِ الَّذِينَ, and give good news, الَّذِينَ, those who آمَنُوا, believe, وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ, and do righteous, أَنَّ, that, لَهُمْ, for them, جَنَّاتٍ, gardens, تَجْرِي, flow, min, from, تحتها, under them, الأنهار, the rivers, كلما, every time, رزقوا, they are provided, minha, therefrom, min ثمرة, of fruit, rizqan, provision, قالوا, they will say, هذا, this is, الذي, the one which, رزقنا, we were provided, من قبل, before, وأتوا به, and they will be given, متشابها, in resemblance, ولهم, and for them, فيها, therein, أزواج, spouses, مطهرة, purified, وهم, and they, فيها, there, خالدون, will abide forever. And give good news, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to those who believe and do righteous deeds, that for them will be gardens under which rivers flow, whenever they are provided with a provision of fruits therefrom, they will say, this is what we were provided with before, and they will be given things in resemblance, and they will have therein purified spouses, and they will abide there forever. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahi, not ashamed, an yadriba, to set forth, mathalan, an example, ma, even, ba'udatan, a mosquito, fama, and even something, fawqaha, above it, فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ, then as for الَّذِينَ, those who آمَنُوا, believed, فَيَعْلَمُونَ, they will know, أَنَّهُ, that it, الْحَقُّ, the truth, مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, from their Lord, وَأَمَّا, and as for الَّذِينَ, those who كَفَرُوا, disbelieved, فَيَقُولُونَ, they will say, مَاذَا, what, أَرَادَ اللَّهُ, Allah intend, بِهَذَا, by this, مَثَلًا, example, يُضِلُّ, he lets go astray, bihi, by it, كثيرا, many, ويهدي, and he guides, bihi, by it, كثيرا, many, وما, and not, يذل, he lets go astray, bihi, by it, إلا, except, الفاسقين, the definitely disobedience. Indeed, Allah is not ashamed to set forth an example even of a mosquito, or anything above it, bigger or smaller. Then, as for those who believe, they know that it is the truth from their Lord. But those who disbelieve say, what did Allah intend by such an example? He lets go astray many by it, and guide many by it, and He doesn't let go astray by it, except the definitely disobedience. الَّذِينَ, and those, يَنْقُضُونَ, break, عَهْدَ اللَّهِ, the promise of Allah, مِنْ بَعْدِ, after, مِيثَاقِهِ, its ratification, وَيَقْطَعُونَ, and they cut, Ma what amara Allah, Allah has ordered, bihi it, an yusala to be joined, wa yufsiduna and spread corruption, fil ardi in the earth. Ulaika those humul khasirun are losers. They are losers. Those who break the promise of Allah after its ratification and cut what Allah has ordered to be joined and spread corruption on the earth, it is those who are the losers. Kaifa, how, takfuruna, you disbelieve, billahi, in Allah, wa kuntum, while you were amwatan, dead, fa ahyaakum, then He gave you life, thumma, then yumitukum, He will cause you to die, thumma, then yuhyikum, He will give you life, thumma, then ilayhi, to Him, turja'un, you will be returned. How can you disbelieve in Allah when you were dead, lifeless, and He gave you life? Then He will cause you to die. Then again He will bring you back to life, and then to Him you will be returned. هو الذي, He, the one who, خلق, created, لكم, for you, ما, what, في الأرض, in the earth, جميعا, all, ثم استوى, moreover, He turned, إلى السماء, to the heaven, فسواهن, and fashioned them, سبع, 7 سماوات, heavens, وهو, and He, بكل, of every, شيء, thing, عليم, all knowing. He is the one who created for you all that is in the earth. Moreover, He turned to the heavens and fashioned them, 7 heavens, and He is all knower of everything.